this is Tyler White. I talked earlier about a hank of cordage. Right now, I'm going to talk about how to make a hank of cordage. First off, what is a hank of cordage? Well, it's a little bundle of cordage that I can pull from one end as much as I need while it's tied up with the other end. Let's talk about how to make one of those. Got a little chunk of 550 cord, and all that I'm going to do is make that hang loose Hawaii sign, grab it with my hand, and I'm going to go around this finger and back. And I'm just making an X. So I go down, 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 down. And I just continue that pattern until I've used up all of the line. What I like to do is to buy an old parachute and cut off each strand from the parachutist up to the parachute, whatever that length is, I don't know, maybe 50 feet of it. That is equivalent to one good hank. Now when I'm done, all I'm gonna do is just collapse my fingers and pull this off, right? And I've got this little chunk of string left. I'm gonna undo one notch because I want this to be big enough that I can do it twice. And I'm gonna hold that loop with my hand. So all I have is just a notch, or just a loop of string. I'm gonna twist it 1, 2, 3 times and throw it over the top. Once I've done that, I just pull on that little piece of string and my other hand is holding everything down so that it locks, okay? So there's one button on my hank. Then again, I'm gonna do another loop and go 1, 2, 3 times, throw it over the top. And then pull on that button again. I can get confused here. There we go. Pull on my button. I just go back and forth until it snugs up. Now you only need one button. I like 2 buttons because it just locks it down solid. On the other side, this piece of string right here, I can pull on that and it's just gonna feed because I zigzagged it as much as I want. So I pull out what I need and I cut it off. I pull it out and I cut it off. And that is how you make a hank of cordage.